Good afternoon, guys. Today is Happy Sunday, Happy Halloween, guys. This is Papa Jerry, guys. And yesterday, guys, I'm lost my team, guys, but it's okay. It's enjoy. By the way, guys, already 12:15. I dropped my wife in the hospital and then passed by the back of the what do you call this one, the USCIS, guys. See, but I sit down again my bucket and bring my see, look, my bucket is still empty, and my first straw, guys, look, tananan siya. Kita nyo man kayo yung ano ko ngayon kayo. Oh, Mr. Darling, California, shout out. Happy Halloween in the state. And Mar, happy Sunday Halloween. And happy Halloween for Mama. My first cut after drop my wife. But 3 o'clock, I don't know if I'm enjoying to basketball today, guys. Because I'm enjoying now fishing. How many days I don't fishing, guys? Honest to give you, guys. Yan. Kaya may double ano na pala, guys. Ngayon ko lang din discover na pwede ako kumuha ng video with Mama in the sea. Alright, guys, continue sa natin, guys. Abang may isa na tayo, lagyan ko pa ng tubig itong aking na bucket. Happy Halloween. I love you, guys. I love you, Mama in the beach. Happy Halloween, guys. Continue sa natin, guys, kung how many pieces I take it now. So catching to the guys. Woohoo! Happy Halloween, guys. Ito naman, guys. Tignan yung mga actual nating mga kuha dyan, guys. So baka you tell me si Papa J papalatong, guys. Ayun, guys. So come mama. Ayun, guys. So laki naman, guys. So ayun, guys, kita nyo yan, guys. Ayun, no, sa dulo ng walang hanggang, si Papa Jerry tuloy ang catching niya. Right, Ma? Woohoo! Oh, grabe, guys. Oh. The big monster. I love you, Mama. Camera action si Papa Jerry pag mag-fishing, guys, ha. He's not scammer. See? Ano, guys, yung isa natin dyan, guys. Oh. Yan. Andun yung si Mama natin, guys. Naka-service natin, guys. Ayun, oh, laki naman, guys. Oh. Continuous na, Papa Jerry. Yes, sir. Woohoo! I love you, Mama. Guys, look, guys. Oh. Ito yan. Ayun, sana yun. Ayun, guys. Oh, lakas, guys. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Mama, oh, yun. Laki naman, guys, oh. Grabe, super ang lalaki ng andito, maputi, guys, oh. Right? Oh. This good, guys. Not bad na yan, guys. Yan na, guys. 3 na. Saglit lang. Ay na, continue natin, guys, kasi kung umulan na sa tumunta sa amin, guys. Alright, continue lang. Malaki pa yan sa cellphone ko, guys, oh. Alright, guys, another one, guys. So, nasa na yun? Okay, guys, tayo, guys, eh. Punta natin, guys. Let's go. Kung nakasabit pa yata, guys. Hindi, guys. Sana. And guys, oh. Let's go, Papa Jerry, guys. Halloween fishing, guys. Pag malaki, guys, lalo maganda. Uy, malaki, guys. Hindi, oh. Dito, ah. Look. Alright, Papa Jerry. Let's go, guys. At least naka-4 na tayo, guys. Oh. Eh, naka-4 na. Okay na yan guys. Patagdagan pa ng 5, 6, 10 na guys. No, pagtsaga lang guys. Let's just go.